Hi, I'm Cheri with my girlfriend's quilt shop, and today we're going to show you how to insert snaps using your Prym Vario tool. First of all, you're going to need your tool set for the Prym color snaps. If you'll see on the packaging, it's pink. This lets you know you're working with the snaps. You also need some snaps, and on the snaps, you're going to need 4 different pieces. 2 are the exact same, and it has kind of like a button cover with a stem on it. The other 2 pieces, the one looks a little bit like a top hat with a hole in it, and the other one looks like an inner tube. By using those on the opposite sides, you'll be able to make the snap snap together. Let's take a look at the tool set for the snaps. We're going to pull it out, and right here we have the piece that will go on the top, and we have a 9mm and a 12.4mm. We are using the 12.4mm snaps, so we're going to use this. We're going to take it out, and we will insert it into the bottom of the Vario tool. On the top piece, we're going to take it out, and we need to make sure that it has one of those purple crowns on there to hold it in. So remember, the crown, the circle side goes down against the tool, and then I'm able to insert that in the top of the tool. Now we're ready to install the snaps. So let's take a look at how to do those. We're going to take the part with the stem and put it through my project, and then I'm going to take the top hat piece and just place it right down on there. Now I'll take it over to my Vario tool. I'll set it in the little cup on the bottom and press my tool down. And my snap is inserted. Now on the opposite side, I want to make sure it's going to snap how I want it to snap. So on this particular project, I want it to roll all the way around. So I'm going to put this part with the stem from the top and go down, and then I will put the inner tube piece on there like that. I'll bring it over to my Vario tool and push down. My snap is now inserted. I'm just going to roll that around, and now my snap will snap together just like that. So this little project ended up being a little napkin ring that snaps on both sides. And the fun thing about this is that it becomes completely reversible. So if you want to make both sides match, you can, or you can change it up and get 2 for the price of 1. And they go around a napkin just like that, or I can unsnap them, and now I have a completely different look. And that's how you use the Prym Creative Tool snap setters.